Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Baldwin County. At 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Bonsecour, or 4 miles north of Gulf Shores, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Foley around 7:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Alberta around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Somerdale around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Robertsdale around 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama. Tornado watch number 558 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Mississippi, George and Jackson, and the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound, and coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Snake Island out 20 nautical miles. Remember, the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 558 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Mississippi, George and Jackson, and the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound, and coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Snake Island out 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 29 nautical miles south of Farewell Buoy, moving north at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Gare Island, Pinto Island, East Fowl River Bridge, Sand Island Lighthouse, Bonsecour Bay, Farewell Buoy, Middle Bay Light, Mississippi Sound east of Pascagoula, Battleship Park, and Point Clear. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for central Mobile County in southwestern Alabama until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.